Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about Optoma GT4000UHD True 4K UHD Gaming and Home Entertainment Ultra Short Projector. So friend, Optoma, the number one DLP laser brand worldwide, today introduced the GT4000UHD is a compact 4K UHD laser ultra short projector for optimal gaming experience and home entertainment viewing. In joining the company's line of award-winning projector, the GT4000 UHD projector delivers high brightness of 4000 lumens and reliable long-term uses and the installation and flexibility for variety of home viewing occasions. So friend, the featuring super color performance and 5 lakh German content ratio, delivering ultra smooth motion and vivid color accuracy that make every movie show and live sport or gaming feel more impressive, vibrant and real than ever. And for smaller space, the GT4000 UHD display up to 100-inch image from less than 12-inch away and from the screen for convenient use any room and no matter the size and location, and offering high contrast and accurate true to life color reproduction for movie lovers. And Optoma GT4000 UHD deliver bright 4000 lumens so sports fan can enjoy live action in many lighting environment and suitable for console to PC gaming. And the projector tag gaming to new height with ultra low input lag, and that is 4 times lower than the competitive display technology with 8 ms at 120 Hz 1080p and 4.3 ms at 240 Hz 1080p and 16 Gem 9 ms at 60 Hz 4K 60 and giving gamers smooth and responsive gaming season. So friend, the Optoma's DuraCore laser technology extended the life of new projector by 6 times compared to the equivalent lamp projector and offering lifetime availability with 30,000 hours of operation in eco mode for easy installation, and is equipped with 4 corner correction and 360-degree and portrait mode for flexible place and play projection or virtually any surface in any room. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.